Hello everyone, good evening. Murag ibalik ko sa unang panahon, charot. Okay. Gimi ako record ka sa Zoom. Mag-screen record ko karon. Pero na ko i-share sa inyo ha, there is something new sa Zoom. Okay? Maka-recognize na siya karon og hand gesture. So, yeah, tinuod. Okay. For example, ka thumbs up. Yan ang basahon. Yeah. Pag mo thumbs up ka, okay, click ha. Or kung mag-raise kag hand. See? Pero ang clap kay akong gitry ang clap dili siya. Sige ato i-lower again. Chika sa latest or bago sa Zoom. So katong mga wala na na-added ng Zoom basin pagbalik niyo daghan mo'y katingalahan magkubi-kubi mo. Okay, it's just a matter of exploring. Charot. Okay. Ang ako yung purpose nga nung nag-screen record ko is to share with you one of the ways I do to continuously educate myself. Charot. Okay, so kabaluman ang kadaghanan na I'm a tambay as of the moment. Actually, since September 12. Okay, so September 12, wala na ko'y trabaho. Pero wala na ko enjoy ang akong pagkatapulan dire sa balay because I spend time for my professional growth. Yes. So access ko og mga open courses. Kaya namin nag-offer ang kaning massive open online course niya naapoy mga resources nga pwede nimo ma-access na gina-offer pod ani na institution. Okay, so kani ako i-share sa inyo, siguro nakita na ninyo na niagi sa inyo ang feed kay sini sila og post og mga learning opportunities. So na ako himo na duha ka accounts kay na ay duha ka pa maagi nga pwede ka makahimo og accounts sa ilaha if you want to learn English and if you want to teach English. Okay? So let me share my screen para makita ninyo ang kalahian sa duha. Okay. So, kani siyang green, mo ni siya ang Learn English. So, makita ninyo dire ang mga tabs. Makaka-create kag account using your email. So, wani akong account. Okay. So, mag-sign up ka, of course. Ginabuhat for me. Okay, so nakabutang di akong level test result. Pero kaya na sila free nga level test to find out kung unsang imong English level. Okay, so mine is C1. Hapit na C2. Okay, so mo ni siya ang imuhang ma-access sa kadaghan online courses. However, diri na ay mga courses na kalimpuan siya paid. So dili siya free na sila mga discount. Okay, so we have Learning Hub, nice skills, all 4 macro skills. You have lessons and exercises for grammar, okay, for every level. Specify diha ang level. So, suggest ni sila kung unsay result or unsay mga level, i-suggest po nila kung na mas maayo nga kanipod ng mga activities for your level ng imong i-open. Okay, vocabulary, business English, general English, and yan. Na diha makita nimo ang English levels. You can take the online English level test. Na po diha understand your level. So, i-explain diha. Okay, so let's try grammar, and I'll choose C1, of course, C1 grammar. So when you click on that, okay, mo makita, okay, and then papilion dahil ka o grammar lesson. So mo mga topics, mga lessons, kana. If you want to choose that one, you just have to click on that title of the topic. Okay. So kani siya mo mga nag-comments na no. Kay naay portion sa lesson nga naay pwede ka mag-comment. Okay, inversion, probability. Okay, so daghay mga grammar lessons. Nga I'm sure maka-learn jud ka aside from that. Malingaw po ka. Sige, so let's try this one. Possession and noun modifiers. Possessive nouns. Diba? Sa ato pa. Commonly called possessive nouns. Okay, so click lang ka and then okay, so ano siya? Na-intro. Examples, look at these examples. And then, na rin siya exercise to test your grammar. So, grammar test 1. Let's try this one. Grammar test 1. Okay, there are 8 items. Ang nakoy na-try nga isa ka test nga kuan pod. Itong isa ka lesson. Okay, 8 items po ng ilang ginahatag. You arrange words to form a sentence. Sige, this one is possession and noun modifiers 1. So after I click next Friday is payday, thankfully. I'm going to put a big pile of cushions in the corner of the room. When we go on car trips, my brother always calls shotgun so that he can sit in the front seat, of course. We need to make the final decision without a moment's delay. Blank works in the Forbidden City in Beijing, my brother's wife. Sorry, but I dropped the teapot. The kitchen renovation should only take two days' work. Holding a warm teacup between your hands is one of life's little pleasures. Tapos, click na to ang finish. And boom. Wow. Okay, so I got 8 out of 8, meaning perfect, 100%. Okay. So, ano yung feedback? Feedback niya is, kita niya ang imong score. Okay. So, tanaw na to. So, naka-shy, tab the show answer, show feedback, and you can try again if you want. Okay, and then, nadiri ang grammar explanation. Okay. So, nanadayon diri ang mga rules. Okay. And commonly we know nga pag kanikuan, we add apostrophe S for singular nouns and apostrophe only for plural nouns and in S, like Nelson Mandela's words, the dogs, blankets, people's busy working days. It's very common. We teach that to, I taught this one to grade 3. Nasa ako English grade 3 before. Tulo na to. Okay. This is one of the common mistakes. Kanang, kung mga things gani, we don't use apostrophe S. Okay. So we don't usually use apostrophe S with things. We either use of for a noun modifier. So we use the of phrase. Mga gina-emphasize na ako sa mga bata before na if it's a thing, you do not use the apostrophe S. For example, on table, okay, kita mo kaingon nga, table's legs. Okay, so it could be the door of the house. So you do not say house's door, but the door of the house. Or you may say the door handle. So, maning giingon nga, noun modifier. Okay? The door here is the noun modifier. Ano siya? Door is the noun modifier. You can say the door handle, not the door's handle. Okay. So, kasabot, itong hawidan sa pultahan. Okay? Not with things, but if we talk about place or group made of people, pwede tamo gamit ang apostrophe S, like different countries' lifestyles, our schools, cafeteria, the government's new policies. Kung place or group made of people. Okay, with some time expressions. For today's video, muna siya, kay, we can use apostrophe S for time expressions. Like in today's busy world, last week's meeting, a day's journey. Okay, so daghan pa na siya, mga rules, and then when to use possession with of. So, naadiha. So, it's really nice kay makita nimo diri ang iyahang explanation and examples. Okay? And then, nanapod siya another test. So, grammar test 2. Okay. So, you see, hindi kaayo siya. Now, I encourage you to, if you are interested, okay, wala man ni siya bayad, and you can do it at the comfort of your home. Pwede kaayo ka. Mo ni siya ang link. It's, we always, pwede rin ninyo i-search ang British English, kaya sila. So, British English, or British Council, I'm so sorry. British Council, okay, just a little background. Okay, so mo ni siya. Ang British Council is the United Kingdom's International Organization for Cultural Relations and Educational Opportunities. It's a registered charity. Mo ni siya ang Learn English. Okay? Now, if you want to learn free online courses, naapod siya other color. It's blue. This is British Council Teach English. Okay, so naapod tayo account, and the courses here are free. See ya. So, pwede ka makapili mga courses. And some of the courses, mag-due pa siya in 2026. So, arap na. Stop sharing ako. See? Learning continues wherever you are, whether you are working, whether you are at home. If willing lang ka and you really think nga magamit nimo, and if you are really thinking of your growth, pwede kayo dyan ka. Anytime. You can learn new things or relearn these things that you learned before. It's so nice. And I know na kanya akong ginagawa pero magamit niya po na ako niya in the future. And I'll be sharing these lessons po. So, may mga video. So, share po mga video, mga lessons about what I learned from my online courses. So, I hope you find this video interesting, and I hope you will also follow or isa ba? subscribe. Subscribe. I have my YouTube channel. So, itong mga lessons during the pandemic were posted there. And then, sa Facebook page po, okay, mga bits of English lessons, nila-post na. So, I hope, na I'm gonna learn and you'll also try to do this one. Thank you for watching. Myers.